About 200 taxi in the market street lane, where the market people them not have fight. Every minute the market people them look up in our car. We get car.
This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. Businessman Norton Heinz must answer questions under oath in the 15-year-old Trafigura affair, a Supreme Court judge has ruled. Justice Stephanie Jackson Hazley made the ruling after Heinz had earlier stated that he did not wish to participate in the questioning about the controversial $31 million donation by Dutch oil lifting firm Trafigura Bahir to the People's National Party government in 2006. Heinz subsequently took the oath and is now on the stand. In 2011, the Supreme Court ruled that former Prime Minister and PNP President Portia Simpson Miller, as well as Philip Paulwell, Robert Pickersgill, Colin Campbell, and Heinz should testify in open court about the donation. The matter was subsequently escalated to the Privy Council by party officials after the Court of Appeal in 2017 dismissed an appeal against the 2011 ruling. Scores of students were left stranded Monday morning as taxi operators in Christiana, Manchester withdrew their service in protest against an alleged lack of parking facility for cabbies in the town. One taxi operator told ORAP that since the onset of the novel coronavirus in 2020, cabbies have been forced to vacate a private property which they had been using for parking. He is calling on the Manchester Municipal Corporation to identify a designated parking facility for operators. In international news, the U.S. Supreme Court announced Monday that it would not review Bill Cosby's sexual assault case, leaving him a free man and ending a 2-decade legal drama that destroyed the groundbreaking black actor's reputation and sent him to prison for several years in his late 70s. The High Court, whose 9 members included 2 men accused of sexual misconduct themselves, declined to review a stunning decision out of Pennsylvania that released Cosby from prison in June over the word of a former prosecutor who said he had made a secret promise with Cosby's lawyer that he would never be charged. In other news, the official global death toll from COVID-19 eclipsed 6 million on Monday. The milestone recorded by Johns Hopkins University is a tragic reminder of the unrelenting nature of the pandemic, even as economies are reopening around the world. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.